babe? It's your girl Torialana, and I'm coming back to you today with a hair unboxing, transparent lace wig unboxing, whatever. Before we get into the video, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get into the video. If you're watching this, you're probably just subscribed or you're looking for a nice transparent lace wig. Today I have the brand Yolova. Here it is. The packaging is reflective, so it's acting weird in the ring light, but it's called Yolova, Y-O-L-O-V-A. Born for a beauty, a lasting, natural looking solution. And this is transparent lace, so you know, I'm on the lighter side of brown skin, I feel like. Maybe I look a little pale. It's winter, well, it's fall, and it's starting to get cold, so I'm not as tan as I used to be. So these times, I will need transparent lace. I can't always go with the regular brown lace, because if it comes, it's either hit or miss. If I get that regular brown lace, it's either exactly matching my skin, or it's just really dark. So yeah, in these cases, it's either transparent or HD. This is either I think it's HD. I don't think it's transparent, y'all. So I just opened the box. I love this reflective packaging. And it has it inside, Yolova. And then it has the bag. So let me show y'all the bag. We need to put some goodies in here, y'all. So you know, every company, they send you the wig cap, which is good. Like, when a company takes time to send you like caps, the lashes, the combs, the edge brushes, all of this stuff like in that nature, I think it's really nice. You know, the companies don't be sending you nothing. It's like, do you really care about me for real? But yeah, I know a lot of people have been saved from making trips to the beauty supply store. They just give you a wig cap. And the thing is, I love when they give me the lighter one versus the dark one, because you can make a light one dark by just putting like the foundation on it and stuff, but you can't make a dark one light. It'll be very hard to. So it just comes with this deluxe wig cap, and I think it's 2 pieces. Yeah, it is 2 pieces. Yep. And this is like the brand that everybody uses, so they're not sending you no cheap stuff. So they also sent this I was about to say hairpin. It's tweezers for the ladies who customize their own wigs, or you can even give it to your stylist. Like I personally go to a stylist, so I don't customize, but I'm definitely going to give these to my stylist because these are some nice tweezers, y'all. Look at this. Let me take it out for y'all so y'all can see. These are some nice tweezers, like that. So they're good for customizing, it's good for plucking and things of that nature. And also, like, if you still don't like customize the wig, you can use the tweezers for anything else. Like, we're women, sometimes we need to be tweezing stuff, like, I don't know. So yeah, and this is really thoughtful. This is the first time I've actually ever gotten tweezers and like a hair package. It's usually like the cap, of course, and like the lashes, but tweezers, this is really nice, really thoughtful. So yeah, the tweezers come with it, and then the wig. So this is how it's looking. You know, they put it in the bag and all that. So this is how it's looking. You know, it comes in a net. That's also a good thing. You know, very protective of the hair. Yeah. Let me see. So I took the net off. Ooh. And this is bodywave. So let's get a look inside the wig. It's constructed really nicely. And it's like the perfect size. Sometimes like a wig can be either too small or too big, and it'll just mess up. So like, ooh, this is nice and soft. This is bodywave. Or it can pass for a loose wave, but I really do think this is bodywave. She's so pretty. And stiff wear. Stiff wear. She's moving. Period. Now let's get into the lace. I think she is pre-plucked, if I'm not mistaken. Like, there's like the little hairs like up here, like by like the edge and stuff. It's really good. Like, just get into the inside of this wig. Like, this is really good. Hair is really soft, does not tangle. I'm running my hands right through it. and it's so much, it's like a lot of volume and bounciness and stuff like that. And I believe this is either 22 or 24 inch. It might be a 24 inch wig. And let's get into this lace. I'm trying to put it. So this is how the lace is looking on my hand, and all the links to all of this will be in the description box. So this is how it's looking, how the lace is looking. Not brown at all. Very easy for customization, especially like I said, if you're of a lighter skin tone. Won't be hard to tint at all. And one thing I like is the lace is not overly thick. Like, it's just right that it's like, I don't want to say it's seamless, because you know lace is lace, but it is on the thinner side, but not too thin where the hair is going to fall out, but it's thin to the point where it's going to blend in right with your skin. I love this. I love this. One thing I like, the ends are nice and full as well. I know some wigs struggle, some companies struggle with having their wigs full from top to bottom. You can literally not see through the bottom ends of the wig. I just love this pattern. Like, she not stiff. She said stiff who? Stiff where? And this is 1B, of course. And it's either the body wave or the loose wave. Once I figure that out for sure, it'll definitely be in the description. Also, with a coupon code for y'all to use. It's also going to be in the description box. I didn't get it yet, but it's going to be in the description box for 15% off. So, y'all looking for some wigs, transparent lace, nice and affordable, which is a good one, natural looking, use my coupon code. Period. This is really nice. How that lace is looking. Yes, this is some good lace. So as far as shipping, it took about maybe a week to get there, which is really not bad at all. I know, like, especially from China with COVID and everything, things are kind of backed up a little bit. But this came here in little to no time, so it's really nice. But this hair is really good. Like, on a good note, thank you for Yolova Hair for sponsoring this video. Whether this video is sponsored or not, y'all know I keeps it real. Like, if this was the worst hair, I would tell y'all I don't buy it. But I really like this hair. I can't wait to install it for y'all. I can't install it now because my senior pictures are coming up, and I already booked my appointment with this girl. I'm getting a different hairstyle. But after that, this wig is definitely going on. Let me know what color I should try, because this wig is definitely going on. I'm just so in love with the lace, y'all. I keep looking at it. It's like, it's giving, like, it's giving scalp, like, and it's not even on, like, I don't know, the way that the knots are, like, formed and stuff. Yeah, I almost forgot. It's time for a shedding test to see if this hair sheds or not. Nothing. Nope. I'm gonna do a slightly hard pull. Nope. No shedding either when I'm really tugging on the hair. Hair is inevitable to shed. Just because you're not seeing it right now doesn't mean it won't shed down later on the line, because you're brushing it, especially because you're putting chemicals on the lace. But usually when I do the strand test and hair is shedding already, then that means it's gonna shed really bad. So I'm having really high hopes for this hair. Again, I will be installing it soon, very soon, so please stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's soft. It doesn't have like an unbearable smell. I know like some wigs be smelling like fish or nothing like that, but if you're gonna customize the wig's gonna be washed anyway, so that's really never a problem. Yes, really thick. Oh, I think this is the 180 density, if I'm not mistaken. Everything will be down below in the description box. It's either 150 or 180, which is really thick for both. 22 or 24 inch wig. And this is the Yolova hair again. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and reaching out to me for this collab. This is nice. I just love the texture. Y'all know it's winter coming up. It's time for them bundles. Like, this is a good time to get lace, because, you know, like in the summer, wigs, the lace be hot. Like, it just be hot. Like, you know, you can sweat the lace out, but now it's cold. It's the curl's gonna hold better. So definitely. And you see, as I'm still like going through the hair, the curls is still holding its pattern. That's how you know it's really good hair, because the hair be straight by time how many times I done ran my hands through it. But look at this pattern though. Like, it's really nice. It's really wavy. That's why I think it's more of like a loose wave than a body wave. It's really, but whatever it is, it's just really pretty. Really pretty hair. And thank you for all the treats I sent too. The wig caps. Y'all gonna send me some tweezers. Y'all, it's giving. Thick from root to ends. Really bouncy, you know. This is really good hair, and this is virgin hair. You know, some of these companies be saying it's virgin, it's this, but it's really not. And this is also Brazilian. I think it is HD lace. Brazilian HD lace or transparent lace. 24 inches. So this is curls, but this is like the real length, so it is longer. So that's why I think I said 22, but it is 24. So that's how it is as long as it is. But yeah, I really love this wig, y'all. Like, I really do love this wig. And yeah, you see this part? So the edges and stuff, it does come pre-plucked a little bit. So the stylist isn't going to have to do that much work versus it not being pre-plucked. So that really is good. This is cute. Okay, Yolova hair. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Period. Okay, thank y'all so much for tuning in. And Yolova hair, thank you so much once again for sponsoring this video. Everything will be linked in the description box, the description of the wig, and my coupon code for 15% off. Y'all better use that. Winter's coming up. Get y'all some wigs, get y'all some bundles. And this is a really natural looking wig. And please go check out my other wig unboxing and my hair unboxing videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate y'all. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.